We're holding this ceremony to celebrate what is a very important milestone, what is an incredibly important project.
Today, I believe we cannot do business if we don't do it in a sustainable way.
Today, vast numbers of ideas, of needs, of visions and concepts are transformed into a real result. It will catapult us into the future.
This groundbreaking begins a new chapter in the story of drug product services. It also gives us a chance to reflect on the journey and the remarkable journey so far.
In Zukunft werden hier Produkte hergestellt, die kranken Menschen helfen, von der Nahrungsmittelproduktion zur Heilmittelherstellung.